Welcome to the channel, everyone. If you are new here, my name is Lyndon Houston and welcome to Lyndon Houston Cooking. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make cucumber, mint, and apple refreshing, detoxifying juice. Very healthy also. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Do leave positive comment. Let's get into the video. Hey everyone, today I'm making a refreshing cucumber, apple, mint juice, a perfect detox drinks that support hydration, help, and great for weight loss. This homemade green juice is packed with nutrient and help with digestion and cleansing the body. Simple ingredients and recipe you can use for this is 1 large cucumber. For me, I'm going to use half. You can use 2 green apple or 1. Apple is natural sweetness and help with fiber. Fresh mint leaf, cooling down your system, help with digestion system. And I'll be using 1 cup to 2 cups of water. You can use coconut water for extra hydration. Let's make this homemade cucumber, apple, and mint juice. What I'm doing here, I'm going to chop our apple up. I'm using about 2 apples. That's personal preference. And we already add the mint. A rule of thumb when you're making juice like this is to ensure to cut it as small as possible. And that's just to help the blending process. Likewise, for 1 person, this will give me about 2 to 3 glass of refreshing juice. I'm using about half of cucumber, which that's enough for me. And I'm going to add all of this to the blender. So I'm adding my water to this. You can use coconut water if you want, but I'd rather use just some natural still water also. So our healthy green juice for weight loss, it's finished. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pass it through. This juice hydrating you. This is so delicious. It's a great homemade green juice for cleansing your system. So go ahead and pass it through your strainer, because I personally don't like bits in mine. And this detox drinks is very healthy and it's good for your skin, good for cleansing the body. This hydrating cucumber mint juice is absolutely delicious, and I'm telling you, it's such a game changer in my life. And also, I'm sure this will definitely help someone. So now our detox cucumber, apple, and mint juice is ready, and now it's time for me to enjoy it. And I'm telling you, I can't wait to try this. Wow, so delicious. Absolutely fantastic.